right, yes. All right. Something about you where they different, where they important, where they natural. Make sure everything you nurture and the song of Rema be that. And on top of Naija FM 102.7 and then 6 minutes no waka past 11 o'clock. And as we don't tell before I say we do across the beat today and then lady J the Ozana crew now don't enter the studio. Have you now?
Well, you know, far. Zona Krona, I take him, I carry him.
I be now because now waiting the room with that now about you know, and I don't be because I'm saying you start all over again.
Yes, I start all over again. Yes, that now regarding the video. Well, thankfully, as at this morning, views don't reach 804.
Yeah.
That is even me when I say I shock. I shock because I no go lie. When we want to take down the video, I fear. I say because at that time I 735 views. It don't reach. I say what go come happen now? It go take. But what is worth doing is worth doing well. You know, excellence no get a price tag on top am. You know, so guys take the risk. And today we did at 804 subscribers. Now 171 subscribers. So.
Thank you.
Thank you to everybody. We love the song. Where they watch the song. Like I tell Una, we go soon. You go soon. The song will soon be available on top streaming platforms by the 20th. I think that's on Friday. So pre-save. If you go my Instagram, go on top my bio, click on top the link. You will get you go see the link to fit pre-save on as many platforms as you want. On top my Facebook, you go see I'm on top my post. So, if you, I'm not waiting to talk, Sha.
No worry, I know see your fans. Everybody go do the needful and the.
I bet make them so do the way. Make them help me do the needful. I beg. Now beg idea. Help me pre-save. As soon as the song can be available on platforms, I beg make una stream, make una like, make una share. As this much love una don't show me. For the video aspect, I bet we'll do one for the audio aspect. Very important. I really appreciate Una from the very depth of my heart. I know say this point where we don't reach, I know do one by myself. Now
and the love.
All
right. Thank you so much.
Grateful.
So far so good. You don't make sense. It go make sense.
Yes,
and then this more could talk about this Benue matter.
The massacre, or if you decide to call them the genocide. To be very honest, it heartbreaking. I never fit carry myself to watch
that video.
I no fit stand them at all.
And because I don't know if say now wickedness go cut down one because
this one pass wickedness. It pass wickedness. Because first of all, waiting these children do you. Something where Godwin talk yesterday. He said the village where they go, put all of them together. They no fit afford one cow, but yet you buy 200 of them on top waiting now. To what end be all this one now? You know, it vexes me because first of all, that will be the first time genocide go shele for Benue. It don't happen before.
Exactly. And then because you know they come like say maybe they use their inability, say they no get the insecurity, then they use them against them.
Wetin then do? If you vex with the government, why not get dialogue with the government? Why go take them out on innocent people? I think that 2 weeks ago I talk them. I said now that they say make we do more of exporting and importing. I've been waiting. Okay, how many farms they? People get farms, but they don't fear no go green them to go work for farms.
Exactly.
Because as they work for farms now, they the headsmen they enter and they buy them. So they go rather they has. They with their family, no say then they are alive. If hunger won't buy all of them, or maybe hunger can't buy them, but they no go enter the farm. Why? Because of waiting these headmen.
And because if you talk, if you talk about this, say no consign. If they no go farm, food no go day supply.
Exactly.
Food no go get your side.
I don't go Benue before. When they say Benue na the food basket of the nation, best believe now they be really the food basket of the nation. They tell you. I don't go there before. Many times, all this, if you say you want to enter restaurants now, say order pounded yam. You know this kind quen balls they go carry come. Don't be like that for there. Say you want chop pounded yam. You go if you see the mighty ball and they do all these things for inside their farms. So now we say they buy people, they buy productivity, they buy the children where we supposed to be even the future. Do you understand? They pain me. Why? And sadly, I never hear anything responsible from the governor. Nobody, they want to hold people accountable. Now, as it is now, they drag. Because they go through a post on Facebook and somebody they drag say this guy Peter Obi be like saying they talk say to say him be the leader now if for this kind of for no happen. Why he, for the post he no talk safe to now. I know this is not be in defense of anybody, but if something be as it dey, may we talk am as it dey. In the talk say the leadership they suppose hold them accountable for wetin they go on. Where be the truth? Who they won't hold accountable for what happened? Now somebody from another country.
No now.
On top of that one, in the top because in no win election. See, at this point, may we stop all this politicizing.
Exactly.
Everything. May we stop
politics aside. I tell people say,
Leave
make we put politics aside. More put say okay, we be one political party or you know be one political party member. More we talk about say lives of people.
200 people.
200
at once. In one sitting.
No be say them buy them one after the other. Then as in at a go for when they sleep.
Come burn them to ashes. Wow. Which can say it take a certain level of wickedness, callousness to fit run that parole. People when they sleep for inside their house, you said you go run that wickedness. On top waiting. But we will tell ourselves the truth. When Oga Jonah dey on top seat, wetin dem talk? You be the leader, be the chief security officer of this country. The buck stops at your table. Now people they repeat the same thing to the present president. Wetin they talk? You they attack him because waiting. Come on now.
Anyways, make I play this video. Make it for here. Waiting then.
Address the issue of Jau boys that has become a major issue in Nigeria. That people often accuse EFCC. That people are stealing mega money, and all of you are not seeing them. You are the only people that you can run after. You are ready. Is here. I want Nigerians to know that we are having crisis on our hands. It's actually a crisis situation.
Igbo people get adage say, if goat wey no dey chop cocoyam start to dey follow goat wey dey chop cocoyam, that goat wey no dey chop cocoyam go eventually start to dey chop cocoyam. Influence.
Okay, now say him been talk about one thing. Say students go leave school, go dey lodge.
Who give them the money to go lodge?
God bless you.
Who give them the money? It gets some. You see, it gets some people wey don see say these young people dey eager to make am big. So they use these students as their face. God forbid now if police say they won't go raid those hotels now. Not be those big guys that go see you. Now those young children now they go catch.
Okay, so make break them down now. For me, I dey talk say you like that adage we talk for Igbo. You get one for inside Yoruba we talk say ome o shagba for on kashowale erojole mean say your pikin no be dry cleaner. He dey carry cloth come house. You understand? So if parenting day, I get that. I've been teach for one school before during my journey. I teach for one school. Get one, these students and they are our neighbor that time. This pikin no fit use. If they talk say if they put bottle for ground like this, wait if they talk say carry the bottle come out, wetin be the image where the bottle give you? This na circle. Could he no fit mention as na circle be that image. Now, this pikin they drive cars. You know, he no finish secondary school.
How you get am?
They get am. But parents they flock around and say, "Hey!"
If you take the words out of my mouth now, we also aside from say we dey in a time where the young no believe in the dignity of labor. Parents too don't forget to dey intentional about being parents. They know they ask questions. They know they make sure say then they carry nukometer. That na say put eye on top their children. As long as the children they bring the money and then they flex and then they carry them, they boast. they no mind. I will give you a big example. I talk this one happened for my very before, not too long. I don't even talk on SF. This woman appears woman, she employed this guy, 18-year-old boy. I see the boy, very cute, handsome boy. Wetin happen? As soon as the boy can't get access to her account based off on say, okay, POS this, the guy can't they move money from her account. 700 plus. Go in her account. Say he send 130 something thousand to his friend for Ibadan. Just they transfer money anyhow. In mama, where they collect in salary, because the salary where they pay this boy, and mama they collect him. If they give the mama money every day, for one day the mama no ask him, say, where you they see this money they give me? The day where they hold this boy, the mama they there. She no fit carry her head up. They also say, as a mother, you no fit question where this pikin they get this money from. You get a kind of lifestyle where your pikin go display. We're going to let you know, say, something is wrong somewhere. Even me, if all of a sudden, leg bear, you just wake up today, just hear, say, I'd go buy the latest of the latest of the latest. Leg bear,
I go ask you a question.
Yes.
Waiting happen. He passed this salary they collect for you.
How come now all of a sudden? When I say late, as in latest of the latest of the latest where you sabi. You ask some questions. Waiting happen. Sadly, parents don't they ask questions anymore.
Parents they ask that one
they're not they intentional any longer.
So, but what toxin and poverty they cause that kind of thing?
Poverty they there.
But
poverty they there one. Secondly, the need to dey along to also brag with your pikin.
Hey, but Lady J, say person dey poor. No missing making lose in senses.
Of course.
Because sometimes I go talk say now because of poverty, and then go see wetin go make your pikin die untimely. Which parents go dey happy for that kind of thing? Talk say, okay, I no mind make you die untimely death too. I better go bring money come house.
Greed dey there, selfishness dey there, insensitivity dey there. Like you no care. Or aside okay, we talk about this Yahoo. What of parents where sabi say, as this their daughter they travel go Italy. Na prostitution she they go do. They no mind as long as say she go send dollars. She they send dollars. So they go even use them both. My pikin there Italy. My pikin there here, my pikin there. So that they go fit use them as a means of boasting to other people. Now the truth of the matter be that.
It is well.
You don't fit talk.
Because I just confused because say that time me. You know if you take waiting be your own, will be your own. Carry and go out.
What?
See that time I said if my mama they always dey outside. If I enter from school like this, she go say, you know waiting there, never enter the room. Your bag, you go drop am for where she dey. You understand? She go ransack everything. And that time for school, me I be dey active for school. I be people say I dey write for board. Now me dey always write for blackboard. So I know they get time to write my own notes. Because sometimes teacher will give you notes. Okay, take and copy. So after you can't borrow notes from your friend, carry and go out. My mama if she see anything with my own, see another person name
for inside.
I go explain tire. Because she could talk say one of them they write their own notes where you dey. That those things. I make I tell you, those trainings still dey with me this today. If I dey waka for night, something dey ring for my head say, hey, I suppose don't reach us by now because if they want to add my auntie they tell me that and say ijakumo clean the osan or my be ron say if person with them born well they wake up for midnight. You understand? So even if I dey inside traffic, as that thing they always that thing could just they ring for my head say hey.
I go give you 2 examples. Something happened to me. I think I did primary 2. So get some story books and educational books to my mama buy. And she put them for inside carton for their room. My papa and her room. And she go always say no touch am. And most time when you go school, you go see say your classmates go carry one story book or the other. Come square need Blighton, this one, that one. We don't even get the opportunity to read them because sometimes when we borrow from our class, we go read them, return them back. So when I discover that carton and say this kind books dey, so when they come out, I go open the carton, I go read and I go put them back. So one day I come decide to put them inside my bag when I go school. So my pop says, okay, he won't put a biscuit for inside our bags. He can't see him. He say, where you get them from? I said from carton for your room. He said, nah lie. He punish me. He say I know they go school, I come out to uniform. Punish, they can kneel down. He punish me that day I no go school. Now on a Friday I no go school. Because he believe for him mind say I collect them from somebody. I said, no be me. When my mama come, I say, okay, yeah, show me. I can't show him the carton. Say, see the carton, see him. She can't say, she not remember when she buy him. But the carton there inside your room, see. Then where I carry him from. You understand? Why in do him? Because for him mind, I no want raise this girl. Make she go they collect things from people. You know, but do you do him the wrong way? Yes, because I did talk the truth. He no believe.
Yeah, because they no say, you know.
No, I even show them. I said, see the carton for them. I even show them. Say, see him. But he no believe.
But no say. I can't.
So, a second example. This nice way with the chop now. No be nice so. Get one the real nice. It dey inside pink wrapper and it dey long.
Long, okay.
So one of those days now, my classmate carry him come. He can't give me. He give me say he dash me. I think the name now Odiate. So I no chop the biscuit during break. As we go house, me and my childhood friend Irene, I can't show him, we can't open them, we can't chop them. When we reach, who give you biscuit? I say Odiate. Who be Odiate, my classmate? See, the wire of cotton, we get iron hook at the edges. My papa use them beats
you.
Because I collect something from classmate we say he dash me. Another time during break, he carry that same biscuit come again. Say make I take. I say no.
No, because you don't have a lesson.
Because of waiting, he do me. So that fear, I know waiting.
No, if I want collect
even gifts. It take a long time before my papa or my parents go even agree. Say people they
gifts you
gift
something.
Us if not why.
Why? What you do? What happen? Because for me that time, if I carry like that book notebook thing, I come just now only one person I always collect notebook from, because my mom will tell me say, why you collect from this one? Collect from this one. It must be one person, because so parenting they say pikin.
I know say no day easy, but see how pikin go turn out. Now to your credit at the end of the day. If the pikin is they say, oh, na so and so pikin. If the pikin they good, they say na so and so pikin. And sadly, we get some big bone. We say, now this person pikin. Hey, where my phone? Don't download the link. Say the call the mama. You hear waiting? You don't. When last you hear from Yemisi? You hear waiting? She don't do. What happen? I send you the link. We get people like that.
But anyways, and the man don't talk. But the thing I say, if you know, say now some politicians they use this yahoo boys. Why you don't even mention their name? Because if you know, say, because sometimes like now we talk say some unknown gunmen. We know some gunmen. We know this one. See, why if you now don't know the unknown, make now mention their name.
No, God didn't talk something. Say, but they always do naming ceremony for bad things.
For bad things.
Bandits, unknown gunmen. Why then they unknown? I don't believe that they unknown. Then they known, but they no one review who be who. Now the truth of the matter, none of it talk say then they unknown. Nobody then talk say Boko Haram they unknown too.
Anyways, okay, this one is no really happy me now, but my mom talk am. They talk say one man allegedly been raped a 6-year-old girl for Abia.
Jesus. 6-year-old girl.
And see my question. Waiting. Okay. Say if you talk say if women they if you talk say women know the way waiting cover their body, you say okay maybe let make we talk say okay that one did just fine okay it will be this they say because this one get big bum that one entice you. This one gets a big breast. Now that one entice you. So waiting this 6-year-old man, let's say yet to be identified, the man allegedly raped a 6-year-old girl in the premises of the Church of Jesus Christ Latter-day Saints in Abia State. A journalist, Anastasia Uchenna Odochi, confirmed the incident for Facebook post for weekend after visiting the minor. According to her, the victim is currently receiving medical treatment in a pharmacy as her mother can't afford to take her to hospital due to lack of funds.
Pharmacy.
Pharmacy, number one. Mrs. Odochi further disclosed that the victim's mother, who sells roasted corn in front of the church, has been told to leave the spot following the incident. She is a mother of 4 kids. It's not enough that you identified her daughter. You have distributed her only source of income. So now then come pursue the woman.
The church pursue the woman.
Then say me the woman who they sell for that place again. My question: wetin happen? Say that one day enough. Why then pursue the woman? We say she get 4 children.
No, they're not even try to intervene for the matter? Because this incident happened for una premises.
They talk say meanwhile for the video where they post, they talk say the journalist by the way the journalist been post talk say the victim he narrates how the suspect seduce her into his house with the church within the church inside the church compound.
They live for the church compound.
Inside the church compound, and then
wetin take deceive am sweet abi.
They no write am but this she just dey cry say which kind wahala be this one. So now you rape 6-year-old girl. Wetin entice you? Wetin make your John Thomas see? Wetin you see for this girl body? Where your John Thomas no fit stand for one place?
This na wickedness. No be past wickedness. This na devil. This is devilish. Make I speak small Igbo. This is devilish. A 6-year-old pikin.
Exactly. And no be say the girl dey hawk. You know sometimes they just say the girl dey hawk for night oh. She never comot. She never go out at that time oh. She dey waka up and down oh. Her waka no pure oh. 6-year-old girl.
Pikin. Wetin this girl do you? Wetin you wan gain out of am? See. I don't know anything to talk. I just dey heartbroken.
Anyway, they say they don't put her on 10 days medication. But again, why do you say na pharmacy then carry her go?
My point is that I leave the pharmacy matter. The church, this thing happen for una premises. Why they no intervene for this matter? Why then drive the woman comot and leave am to take care of this child? Now, I'm sorry to say, pharmacists, yes, they be medical, they get medical training and all that, but pharmacy no be hospital. She need medical attention. She need therapy.
Exactly, because this kind no go leave this girl for life. And they suppose hold
the church responsible. They suppose hold them responsible because this in the person they stay for inside una compound. Una no fit hold that man example. You see, responsible. You see what people they talk now, but they shout federal government. Hey, they did it. They don't hold them responsible.
That already happen under your roof, under your clothes, under your watch.
And then you go first thing to do not to drive the woman comot.
Okay, person talk say it is not difficult to get the pedophile. He lives in the church premises, so the church should provide him. He should be castrated as soon as possible. That one there.
If then take this, I wish that journalists go take this matter up. I too sure say if we take legal action, they go hold the church responsible and mandate them, make them. I don't want to use the word expose. Make them release the person, abi?
No.
No matter I say release as in them, because I feel say that the church they protect.
No, now expose be the right word now. Make them expose them now because now we they talk say make government official call people where they do where they supply.
Exactly.
So exactly. So see anywhere where you die, anywhere where you dey, now your constituency, your house, your shop, now your so anything where they happen for your area, where we say you take your eye comot, you just say no concern never reach you. This kind thing.
No, wait until it reach you. It gets something I do not too far from this office. You know that shopping mall?
Yeah.
I dey comot from there on a Friday. As I dey comot, now I see this girl dey wait. She wan enter bus, dey go house. Now I see one man. I dey see that face around that area a lot. He dey follow the girl, dey talk. Now I come wonder, say, wetin this man dey discuss with this small girl? Now I come stand near the girl, I come ask girl, say, she know the man? She say no. Wetin dey tell you? Say she no know. I say okay. Where you dey go? Say she dey go house. I say okay. I go stay with you until you enter bus. So I stand there now. The man sit there, they try follow me talk. I just ignore him. So if they try follow the girl, now see that girl say, make she no answer him. I stand there with that girl until bus come. When the bus come and she enter, now I look the conductor. I can't give her ticket. I say, make help me
watch the girl.
I can't go.
See,
so a man for inside wheelchair, where sit down there, as I depart, he say, thank you, man. Because I feel say himself, he dey a bit worried. Say, this man they try talk to this. That's what they start.
I beg so for somebody talk say they mention tribe. See, this one will be about tribe now.
About tribe, I beg.
See, they talk say when they and they say this particular tribe and they are full of crimes. No.
I beg. So you don't get anything to do. See, crime. You don't know tribe.
No religion.
No religion.
You no gender.
No gender. Once something don't happen, it don't happen. Now to nip the issue in the bud. You see, this is the thing where they talk about. Now something they call tribe. Something so bad as it don't happen, they talk about tribe. Waiting now. May we learn to hit situations hit the nail on the head, hit hammer on the head as it hot.
Anyways, we pray say the girl go get healing. We pray say we pray and we hope.
No, this one beyond prayer. Aside pray and act. She need urgent medical attention. She need therapy, because whether you like her or not, this act, it don't traumatize this girl.
Is exactly, because and then this girl, she never even reach of age.
If they no do something about her, now taking time, but I don't talk trauma where you know handle, where you know deal with, now ticking time bomb. I dey tell you.
Okay, now so it go be today on top money runs and then across the read.
Naija FM 102.7, the headquarter of Naija music.
When the bad days hold you